So the full bun can be a great hairstyle for like every single human being who's got a possession of long hair. But we've all got different face and head shapes as well as different forehead heights. So the full bun can sometimes be not as good looking as we want it to, if our head or our face shape won't allow it to. So let's solve this problem once and forever by a simple single step. This is Manoj Chaudhary. We are the Alpha Army. Glad to have you on board. So long hair in general suits every face and head shape. Long hairstyles, on the other hand, are a completely different story, and not every hairstyle is going to suit every face and head shapes. And because the full bun is one of the major hairstyles for men with long hair, we just have to make it perfect. Now, for a full bun to look good, our face should be properly structured. And that's why we can grow a beard to provide that perfect structure to the face. Now, for me personally, things are a little different now, as I have trimmed my beard, and I know many of my brothers out there can't really grow a full beard yet. But to fulfill that requirement, one thing we can do is to take the flicks out on a full bun. Now what that's gonna do is it's gonna provide those parallel structure lines on both sides of our faces. And now it doesn't really matter if we have a beard or not, because the flakes are already filling that spot. Now the number of hair strands that we're going to take out is going to define how our hairstyle looks and if it suits us or not. But remember, we are doing this to create a balance between our hair and our face. So if your face is on the smaller side, try not to take too many hair strands, as it can make your face appear smaller, and vice versa. But the cherry on the top is taking the flakes out is never limited to only a full bun by any means. And fortunate for us, it looks good on every single hairstyle, or at least most of them. But of course, that also depends on the face shape as well, up to some extent. But if you learned something new or interesting today out of watching this, a like to this video and a sub to the channel will be really appreciated. And with that being said, I'll see you around. Alpha.